Finding the right tenant for your rental property can feel like putting together a puzzle where every piece needs to fit perfectly. It is about more than just numbers. It is about trust and peace of mind for everyone involved. To secure that trust and ensure a smooth tenancy, one of the most important steps is conducting a thorough background check. When you are ready to ask tenants for background check permission, the clearest and most effective way is to include a dedicated consent form within your rental application package. This form should explicitly state that a background check will be conducted and requiring the applicant's signature to proceed. This direct approach ensures transparency and legal compliance right from the start of the application process. The primary reason behind this formal request is legal compliance and protecting everyone involved. Various federal and state laws, such as the Fair Credit Reporting Act, govern how consumer information, like credit history and criminal records, can be accessed and used. Obtaining written consent is not just good practice. It is often a legal requirement that safeguards both you as the landlord and the applicant's privacy rights. It establishes a clear understanding that their application is contingent upon this verification. To make this process easy and professional, first, choose a reliable tenant screening service. Many services provide compliant consent forms directly. Second, when presenting the application, explain briefly and positively why the check is necessary. You can say it helps ensure a safe and stable community for all residents. Third, make sure the consent form clearly lists what information will be checked, such as credit history, criminal records, and eviction history. Lastly, provide clear instructions for signing and returning the form, along with any associated fees. An insider tip for a smoother process is to combine the background check consent with a general releases of information statement. This can cover things like previous landlord references and employment verification, streamlining your due diligence without multiple forms. Always ensure your consent form clearly isu the cost of the background check, if any, and who is responsible for paying it, which is often the applicant. This upfront honesty reduces surprises and builds a foundation of good communication. By incorporating a clear and compliant consent form into your application, you are not only adhering to legal standards, but also demonstrating professionalism and respect for your applicants. This systematic approach ensures you gather all the necessary information to make an informed decision, leading to a positive and successful landlord-tenant relationship built on transparency and mutual understanding.